What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm Jay. This is S.S-GARAGE. This is Aiden.
Oh my god! Dad, you made me lose! I was so close to beating the champion! Come on!
Never mind. And this is Lalo. It kind of doesn't always work. What's up, Lalo? Say hi to the people, dog.
What's up, people?
That's Lalo, everyone. Yeah, Lalo's just different. What's up, everyone? So let me tell you guys a little bit of the situation that me and Lalo are in. This is our Nova, of course, the SS Mobile. But original plan was that we wanted to build a nice show car, kind of a race car that we could kind of go beat up a little bit, go racing, drifting, put a roll cage, just kind of show you guys a bunch of crazy content. But when I got the car, I got such a good deal. I was kind of hyped up. Went and got it, didn't really look into it, saw it was in good shape, done deal, let's go. You know, I brought it home, me and Lalo looked through everything, and we just noticed the car had a bunch of original parts. So I looked into the VIN numbers and all that, and like original matching Survivor, and you know, we both came to the conclusion that it'd kind of just be best to bring the car somewhat to its original state and kind of fix it up, make it look good. Not to worry, we're gonna show you guys all the restoration process, paint, electrical, mechanical, just everything that goes into restoring a car. There's gonna be a full tear down, and we'll see where it goes from there. Hopefully we'll pick up another car that we could kind of do all the stuff we intended to for the show. But let me show you guys a little bit of the beast. What's S.S-GARAGE? Well, it's not a kung fu fighting channel. Well, it's not a dog channel. Hey, what are you doing? Good boy. For now, we got this Nova we're gonna restore, so that's pretty cool, right? I mean, unless you're building a rocket ship, that's pretty cool. Hey, let me tell you guys, I was at work one day and it just kind of hit me. Dude, I'm working on a bunch of cool stuff and I thought it'd be pretty cool to show like my followers and everybody kind of what I do and just car related stuff, repairs and restorations and just different stuff. And man, it's getting hot. I figured I'd just kind of get it all on tape and kind of more of a father-son project, something I could do with my son. And who knows, man, you guys let me know, comment below what you guys want to see and we'll see what the channel grows out to. But dude, everyone's fixing Lambos and doing crazy. I don't got a Lambo though. Or the money, or the credit. Take your pick. But I know someone who does. Check this out.
Hey guys, we're in my dad's boss's car, and he's gonna drive it, and we're gonna explain how it feels. I'm very excited today because I get to go on my dad's boss's car, which is a Lamborghini, and I hope I have free time. It's gonna go fast. As you can tell. probably had it for a long time, don't you?
Actually, no, I just got it like maybe 6 months ago around Father's Day present. And my welcome to your new car present was I got stopped by the police down in East LA. They just couldn't believe a guy just driving a car like this out in that vicinity. But I had all the paperwork and insurance and everything, and no harm, but I was just very shooken up. Okay, it's...
We could have never made this without Carlos's permission to go around in his car.
Okay, now how you open the door?
It's this.
Yeah, this one, pull it straight up.
You know how to get out?
I'm still figuring out. Oh wait, I got it now.
Yeah, now.
It's a little different.
I can't lift it up. How did you lift that up?
On the bottom
You
here.
gotta kind of push and slide up.
Okay, but yeah, there you go.
Oh no.
There you go.
It's heavy too.